many photos do we take on the phone? How many memories do we hide? If we take some of our favorite prints from time to time and keep them in our room all day long, it's comfortable to look at all day long. That's why this Print Pocket iPhone Instant Photo Printer came. It can be attached to the phone and prints photos in the phone gallery in a pinch. Wall prints are also available on the Print Pocket website for printing on paper. It runs on rechargeable batteries and is as small as a pocket. So, when you go on tours with friends, you can immediately print out the memories there and give them a mark. Online meetings, classes, video calls, these are the days that have become commonplace. In that case, you have to put the phone in the opposite stand and sit still in front of it while the video call is going on. And if you want to take any video and upload it on YouTube, you have to shoot it with someone else. You just have to be more discriminating with the help you render toward other people. The solution to this problem is auto-follow, auto-tracking phone mounts. All you have to do is place the phone on the stand, which works with AI technology, and it detects our face and movements and rotates 360 degrees wherever we go. That is, you can participate in meetings on the go. Video calls can no longer talk to each other. Spatulas in the kitchen are small utensils that are horizontal to the wall. They can be glued to the wall in a pinch. Shampoo bottles on a small shelf in the bathroom. Or else they can be pasted on the wall. You can watch the program of your choice by sticking it on the wall without having to hold the phone by hand. This double-sided super strong nano adhesive tape can be attached to tiles, metal, glass or wood and removed. The glue does not stick to objects like ordinary tapes when taken. Made with nanotechnology, this acrylic tape can be cut and glued anywhere without sticking until we remove it. In addition, it can hold any object weighing up to a kilo. However, another feature of this tape is that if it does not stick properly due to dusting, it can be rinsed clean and dried to work like new again. If it is so useful, do you say you cannot stop buying? It takes a lot of skill to apply mascara neatly to the eyelids when in a hurry. Otherwise, the mascara will stick to the top of the eyelids and make the eyes look dull. The mascara is nice even when there is less time. If you want to wear, try the Mascara Shield Guard. Apply it on the eye and apply mascara with a brush to smooth it out without sticking to the eyelids. Not only mascara, with the help of which the bite can be corrected, it can also be used as a curler to customize the lashes. It has always been a trend to wear red or pink lips. The other is not so, changing the color of the lipstick to match the mood key for the occasion. For such people, L'Oreal company has created a personal list maker. 3 gadgets come with this gadget that works with AI technology. All we have to do is select the desired colored lipstick that is connected to it, and the purse will make those colored lipsticks and send them to the top. You can choose and cook, so you can make any number of colors.